Each woman have a dream, wanted to have an amazing, impressive closet for his privacy. He can put all his belongings and beautiful clothes with all seasons into one space. This is big enough space, and also the accessories are so beautiful with the leather, with the joinery, with stainless steel and solid wood carving. Here, accessories are customized. You have enough spaces. You can choose it for the jewelry or the underwear. The movement for the drawers is just so smoothly and slide. And you have also the glass door closet, which is transparent. You can see your clothes directly. And also you have also this another 4-door wardrobe. The opening, it is by a very beautiful luxury leather handle with metal connection, seem like the car technology workmanship. And then you have this handle about 2-meter height, which is highly luxury. Every woman like to collect the jewelries and all type of accessories. So you need to have decent and good enough spaces for your jewelries. And this is a wonderful solutions. Invisible drawers for the storage. You can keep all your belongings from here, and they can see so easily to select the items you wanted and to build your morning time.